Got a 2011 Toyota RAV4 here. Just wanted to show you guys something really quick that this might actually help your issue. If you guys know these RAV4s, this is a 2.5 liter. This kind of model, it has a what you call a transmission shudder. What happens when you go past 40 or around 40 miles an hour to 50 miles an hour? It depends on how much you're stepping on the gas pedal. It has this like really loud, annoying rattle. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it feels like it's coming from underneath the car. It's shifting fine. It's not slipping or anything like that. I think it's also called a torque converter shudder, but it's coming from the bottom, or it's coming from the transmission. It's just really annoying when you're driving it. What I did to fix it is I changed the fluid along with a new transmission filter. I have a video that I'm gonna post if you guys want to know how to change the filter and fluid. And then I added this. I think this is what really fixed it. It's a Lube Guard instant shudder fix. So you take this one tube and you add it in there in the transmission dipstick, and you drive it for a little bit, and apparently it fixed the issue. So if you guys have the same issue with this, try this first. But I would recommend changing the fluid and filter if your fluid is dirty. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button. And again, thank you for watching.